Hello creators! If you're on YouTube or thinking about joining the platform, there are some updates you need to know about. Over the past year, YouTube has rolled out powerful tools, exciting monetization options, and community features designed to help creators like you grow and thrive. So what's new? Let's break it all down. First up, AI-powered tools to take your content to the next level. Imagine this. Your videos translated into multiple languages, like Spanish, French, or Italian, so you can reach audiences around the world. YouTube's auto-dubbing feature is expanding to hundreds of thousands of creators, making language barriers a thing of the past. And get this, it even matches your tone and style, making it sound like speaking those languages. And for you Shorts creators, meet the Powered by AI, this tool generates custom video backgrounds, turning your creative ideas into reality with just a few clicks. Talk about a creative boost. Next, let's talk money, because your hard work deserves it. YouTube's affiliate shopping program is going global. Tag products in your videos, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Easy, right? Plus, YouTube's ad revenue model remains one of the best out there, paying creators between $2 and $12 per 1,000 views depending on your niche and audience. And with options like memberships, sponsorships, and even selling your own courses, there are ways to keep your income flowing. Building a stronger bond with your fans just got easier. Say hello to the. This feature gives you a dedicated space to connect with your fans and share content based on shared passions. And if you're looking to add value for paying subscribers, you can now offer exclusive shorts that only they can see. It's all about bringing your audience closer than ever before. And here's something to keep on your radar. TikTok's potential ban. If TikTok goes dark in the United States, millions of users could migrate to platforms like YouTube. That means more eyes on your content and to grow your channel. Finally, YouTube is doubling down on creator support. Last year they resolved a major technical glitch that accidentally removed some channels and videos due to spam detection errors. Most accounts were restored quickly, showing just how committed YouTube is to keeping things running smoothly for its creators. So what does this mean for you? These updates are about one thing: empowering creators. Whether it's reaching new audiences, earning more money, or connecting with fans on a deeper level, YouTube is giving you the tools to succeed in today's ever-changing digital landscape. So, creators, what will you make next? The possibilities are endless, and YouTube is here to help you make it happen.